Inside this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with high ticket affiliate marketing. I've been able to make money with high ticket affiliate marketing using free traffic sources and completely beginner friendly methods. And inside this video, I'm going to show you my top methods for making money with high ticket affiliate marketing. If you get any kind of value from this video whatsoever, consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel for more content on affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link down below this video for my #1 recommendation for affiliate marketing training. Before we dive into my method for high ticket affiliate marketing, I just want to talk about my #1 product that I recommend promoting if you're a beginner in the high ticket affiliate marketing space, and that is Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is an online marketing education system that is built around integrity, and they teach you how to do not only online marketing, but things like affiliate marketing, how to build an email list, how to create a landing page, and how to really get your affiliate business growing if you are a beginner. This is going to be the homepage here for Legendary Marketer, but if you're interested in actually becoming an affiliate, what you have to do is take the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. I'll go ahead and leave a link for that down below this video. Once you take that challenge, you'll be able to sign up as an affiliate and you'll get paid for commissions every time you refer somebody to Legendary Marketer. You'd be surprised how much Legendary Marketer actually pays their affiliates. So you can see here that on subscriptions, you can get up to 60% commissions on all those products. And for courses, you can get up to 40%. And on masterminds and coaching, you can get up to 30%. And you actually get different rewards. So if you are somebody who has made $100 in commissions, you are considered a bronze affiliate. If you've made $1,000, you're a silver. If you made $10,000, you're a gold. So you get to rank up inside of the Legendary Marketer affiliate system. Also, if you are interested in promoting, here is the different commissions that you could earn. So there's a basic commission and then there's a pro commission. In order to get the pro commission, what you have to do is sign up for the Marketers Club, which is a monthly fee, and it actually ups your commission inside of Legendary Marketer. And the reason that I recommend Legendary Marketer as my #1 product is, one, they promote for you. So they have sales coaches in the back end of Legendary Marketer, and every single person gets paired up with a sales coach to help close high ticket sales. They also offer really high commissions, as I just showed you before in that affiliate screen, and it only costs $7 to join. So I highly recommend checking out Legendary Marketer for this method. When it comes to getting traffic to your affiliate links for high ticket affiliate marketing, I recommend 2 different traffic strategies. Both of these are completely free strategies, so you don't need to pay any money in order to get traffic to your affiliate links. Strategy #1 is using TikTok. TikTok is huge right now for high ticket affiliate marketing. Tons of people are making money. As a matter of fact, here is my TikTok account. As you can see, I only have like 8,000 followers, but this has still brought me a considerable amount of email leads and sales inside of high ticket affiliate marketing. Some of my videos did pop off, like this one had 13,000, this one had 147,000 views. There's actually a lot of other people who are having success with TikTok. There's one called Twinkie Hustle, and this is going to be 2 girls, and they've made $40,000 in 3 months with high ticket affiliate marketing on TikTok. I recommend checking out their account if you want some more content ideas for how to promote affiliate marketing products on TikTok. Next, there's another account here called Make Money with Jessica, and she actually puts out a lot of good content relating to people inside of her niche and really connecting with her audience, and that's how she's able to make money with affiliate marketing on TikTok. But my #1 recommendation for high ticket affiliate marketing is Twitter as a traffic source. So as you can see, here is my personal Twitter account. I have over 44,000 followers, and it's been a huge avenue in my business for creating revenue, for getting high ticket sales, or collecting email leads. As you see here, I collect email leads inside of my bio, and I also promote things like my own personal courses, and I promote more of my email opt-in pages here inside of my tweets. So how do we actually get traffic on TikTok to our affiliate links? Well, there's a simple way to do this. You're going to go ahead and find your competitors' trending videos, and then you're going to create them in a different way using your own face and your own voice. Let me go ahead and show you how to find those videos. So go ahead and open up your TikTok app, and then go ahead and search for affiliate marketing. Once you found it, click on it, and then go ahead and hit the filter button at the top, and then click on this week and most liked. Once you do that, hit apply, and then this is going to go ahead and show your competitors' most liked videos, so you can go ahead and take that content and turn it into your own content. So as I can see here, these videos got, like, this one got 1,200 likes here, this one got 800 likes, This one got 500 likes. So what you're going to do is copy these videos and turn them into your own content, and then that's how you're going to get views on TikTok to your affiliate links. When it comes to getting traffic with Twitter, what you're going to do is create a bio that gets people to your affiliate link. That's the whole point of this, is getting people to click on those affiliate links. So you're going to create a compelling bio, and next you're going to comment on accounts that have more than 1,000 followers. This is going to help you get traction to your bio, so people are going to see those comments, engage with those comments, click on your profile, and then find your affiliate links. And then lastly, I'm going to show you how to find viral content, and you're going to tweet out viral content in order to grow your audience on Twitter. First things first, you have to master your bio on Twitter. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Profile just to show you what I'm doing here so that you can copy what I'm doing and get the most amount of clicks on your affiliate links. So first off, you're going to have the name of your account. That's going to be here. You're going to have your cover image, and what I recommend for that is just something that's simple and clear and tells people what your account is all about. Next, inside of your actual bio section, we're going to have 3 different things. We're going to have our what statement. This is going to be what our account is all about. Then we're going to have our why statement. This is why people should follow you. So in my case, it's because I make $5,000 per month using Twitter, and that's why people should follow me, to hear how I do that. Lastly, it's the call to action. So right now my call to action is grab my free course to learn how to make money on Twitter. But in your case, it's going to be promoting a high ticket affiliate marketing program like Legendary Marketer inside of that bio. Next, I use the location section to promote another link. So if you want to build up, say, your Instagram account, your YouTube account, your TikTok account, anything like that, this is a good place to put that. So you go ahead and use a call to action inside the location part, and then inside the website, that's where you're going to put your second link. And when it comes to actually growing on Twitter, there's 2 things. So commenting and tweeting. Let me go ahead and show you how to comment in order to grow your account. So let me go back to my home feed. We're going to go ahead and find a viral tweet, and then I'll show you exactly how I like to comment in order to get people back over to my bio. So here's one right here by Wealth Nation. So winners never play safe, take that risk. So I'm going to go ahead and like that, and I'm going to comment. So this is what I'm going to do in order to get people back over to my bio. So I'm going to say something along the lines of, I took that risk. Now I get to tweet for a living. Perfect. So that's going to establish me as an authority, and that's going to get people interested in my bio. So they're going to click on my face, and then they're going to go back over to my bio, click that follow button, and maybe click that affiliate link. So that's how you're going to do the comments for Twitter. Next, let's talk about tweeting. So how do you tweet out content that's going to go viral? So what you're going to do is look up specific keywords inside of Twitter, and then we're going to find those viral content ideas around those keywords. So I'm going to go ahead and use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. And then once we're here, we're going to click on the 3 little dots up here and go to advanced search. This is where I'm going to put affiliate marketing again. We have that there. Then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to use filters. So I want minimum likes to be 1,000. This is going to give me viral content that mentions the words affiliate marketing. So after I do that, I click on search, and now we're going to get all the different tweets. So like this one right here, this is a viral tweet. This is the kind of content that we could use on our own profile in order to boost that profile and get more followers. I don't recommend copying people's tweets word for word, but I do recommend taking the idea of this tweet and then turning it into your own content. That's how I've had tweets go viral on my account, and that's what I recommend for everybody to do in order to find viral tweet ideas. So now that you have an affiliate product picked out, and now that you have traffic going to those high ticket affiliate marketing links, now it's time to actually get those links and put them inside of our social media. So what we're going to do is I'm going to log into Legendary Marketer and grab my affiliate link and show you guys where that's at if you want to promote this program. Go ahead and click on login, and it's going to take me to the dashboard. Once I'm inside the dashboard for Legendary Marketer, what I'm going to do now is go over to the account section and click on affiliates. That's going to be where the affiliate links are going to be at. So then I click on funnels, and I want the Business Challenge Lite theme. That's the best converting funnel. So I click on that, and then I go to the affiliate section, and then that's my specific affiliate link. So I would just copy and paste this, and then we go back over to our social platforms, so like Twitter, and then I would go ahead and edit my profile, and then I would just paste that link right here or I would paste it right here. And that's how you're going to get people to that affiliate link using social media. So this is the exact strategy that I recommend for beginners in high ticket affiliate marketing. Number one, sign up for a good high ticket affiliate marketing program like Legendary Marketer. There's tons of them out there. I just recommend Legendary Marketer because it's popping off a lot on TikTok, and I've found success promoting it on places like Twitter. Next, I recommend using social platforms like TikTok and Twitter to promote your affiliate links, grow your audience, and eventually create something like an email list and grow your personal business inside affiliate marketing. Next, I recommend to promote your affiliate links inside of your bios. So either inside of your TikTok bio or inside of your Twitter bio. And if you want to get started right away, go ahead and check out the first link inside my bio. That's going to take you to Legendary Marketer so you can sign up, become an affiliate, and start promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products. If you're interested in checking out more videos on affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the videos that are on the screen now. I'm David. I make content all about affiliate marketing and making money online, and I will see you guys inside the next video.